Hello, I am creating a computer today. Not a real one, a Lego one. Pretty cool, right? I'm going to be showing you how. So now that you've seen the computer, now let's get to making it. You need a thick black piece with 8 all along. Then you need you have to pause the video to find it. So now that you found that, you need a flat thing that there's two things there that you can connect. Yeah, there. Then you need two of these light gray things. Pause the video to find it. So now that you found it, you need these two light gray things. Put it on the sides, just like that. And then you take these things. You need 4 of them instead of 2. Put it on those side things. And then you need a vent dark gray thing. Now you have the keyboard. Now you need this screen. You put it on that second thing I showed you. Sorry. The second thing I showed you. And then you have the screen. And now you need this. It's golden, the circle. Pause the video to find it. Now that you found it, you put it right there. There's the one I showed you at the beginning, but there's one more. And now, with the power of editing, and now it's destroyed. So, why I said there's another is I'm replacing this with this, so it can open and close. So I'm gonna speed it forward. 3, 2, 1. And now it's finished. The open and closing computer. It's all finished. So there's my tutorial on how to make a Lego computer. Bye.